Hello everyone, welcome back to my channels. I'm Maria who is hosting you. Well, as you can see in the last video, I presented a tutorial on how to complete this dark cozy embellished with long chain strips and two-leaf hang on it. And in today's video, however, I'm going to be showing you how to crochet the handler, which is made of 2 stitches i-crod. So through this video, besides learning how to create a handler for this cozy, we're also going to be learning how to create a multiple purposes i-crod using 2 stitches. It is how the i-crod looks like. Okay, now let's get started. Well, to complete a crochet project, yarn is the essential thing you need to have, and a crochet hook. In today's video, I'm going to use a bigger hook which is 5.5 millimeters in size. Now I will put this yarn into this jar to prevent it from rolling down all the way during I work with my project. Okay, now I start making slip knots. It is how to make a slip knot. Then 2 foundation chain, 1, 2, and 1 single crochet in the first chain stitch. Hold it tightly. Chain 1 and chain 1. Repeat the pattern, release 1 loop, chain 1 and chain 1. Repeat again. Release 1 loop again, chain 1 and chain 1 again. Just repeat this pattern until you get the desired length. Well, this i-crod is almost complete. I think I need to add some more stitches to make it longer than this. Now the i-crod is done. It looks like bigger chain stitches, but it of course not a chain stitches. So to complete this project, you just need to grab the yarn and pull it through 2 loops. 1 chain. So now you can cut and fasten the yarn. Actually, this i-crod can also be used as bracelet or as a connector for a face mask or as anything you like. But I use this i-crod to be the handler of this adorable cozy. Thank you so much for watching my video.